Thank you. So last night we did camp in the vehicle. We put our stuff up on the roof in the roof bag, strapped it down, and we put our air mattresses in the back, snuggled up. It was actually really comfy. And the best part is there were a lot of people burning campfires with like smoky wood.
It was very smoky.
Super smoky, looked like fog.
You can tell between my breath from the cold and the smoke.
Right. It was stinky too.
It was very stinky. Usually I like that, but there were so many. I guess it was probably what it feels like to be near a wildfire.
Mm-hmm. We'll see what we see along the way.
We're leaving the park. Was that your intention?
No, where's the visitor center?
Back the other way.
The sign pointed this way.
No, it didn't. It said park exits this way.
Really? Oh, shoot. This all reminds me of Laconia, the stands and stuff. Sorry, baby. It's highway robbery. Burros style. One on the left looks good. Yeah, baby.
Me too.
Girl doesn't.
I don't care.
This jackass hogging the road. Girl, damn. You gonna give me something? How you doing? It's got a squirter!
We're trapped.
Trapped by cuteness. Oh, the three amigos. Three amigos here. They're all girls. Oh, they're a big guy's camper. Listen, old man. They're cute. What, the rock? Oh, yeah. Here we are at the London Bridge. Lake Havasu City. Hit your four-way hazards. So we got this going on. Picked up something on the interstate. Tires on flat. That's okay. Not a big deal. Just shift this stuff forward. Oh, you can leave that sideways the way it was.
That's what I mean. I was trying to say how.
Oh yeah, we just gotta get it off these so I can flip them forward.
Okay. So it doesn't have to go all that way. Just so that.
Well, just off this third row. we're gonna figure it out. Put that in the shade so it doesn't get hot.